Welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you guys are having great time. In this video we are going to check the concept of HTTP, which is called as Hypertext Transfer Protocol. For this we will take one router, then one switch, two PCs and one server. Imagine this scenario for one particular office where they have n number of PCs along with the server, and they have one router and one switch. All devices are connected. So let's make the connections. Add some labels. This network will be 192.168.1.0, and this PC will be having 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.4. And this router will be our default gateway, 192.168.1.1. Let's on this. So connections are configured. Let's assign IP addresses. Close this. Now open this server. Go to the services. Here you have lot of protocols. Click on HTTP. Here they have two options, HTTP and HTTPS. S for secure connections, and where they have files, HTML files, index.html. Now let's modify this index.html. Here they have written welcome to Cisco Packet Tracer, opening doors to new opportunities, and so on. So let's modify this. Welcome to Programmer Professor. Let's save this. Click on yes and close this. Now let's access the index.html file from this PC. Go to the web browser and type the IP address, which is 192.168.1.4. Yes, Cisco Packet Tracer, welcome to Programmer Professor, which is index.html file stored on the server. That's it from today's video. If you have liked this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest notification. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Till then, goodbye.
Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.